Hello everyone and welcome to our another tutorial, and this time about how to post your resume on LinkedIn to attract recruiters. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Marie Olivier Ltd, and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. So let's take a look on how to attract recruiters. In case that if you want to get a new job, posting info and a resume on LinkedIn can be a very good idea. I will not lie. This is really essential. So let's take a look how you can actually post your CV on the LinkedIn. So you first have to go to this URL, which is linkedin.com/job/application settings. If you don't want to write it, then go to mariolivi.com articles, and here you will find in one of my articles about the recruiters, and you can just simply copy paste it, or I will include it in the description of the video. Now you need to click on upload resume. So here you can see that I already uploaded a few CVs in the past. So you can have also multiple versions in case that you're applying for multiple industries. That's also possible, or with multiple keywords. And then you just simply upload usually PDF. What I also see with some of my clients, they do a mistake that they upload the Word document. This is not really good practice. So definitely you want to have a PDF format. And then you add it to your profile. So how you will attach the resume to the profile application. So first, you should always also follow the industry format, if there is one, of course, because it will allow you to improve the way you present yourself. So in case that you're applying for example, European Commission, web developer, hairdresser, and other industries, you always want to maybe first search on Google what are the industry formats and adjust your CVs accordingly. Then also when you go to your profile, you want to also list your skills and optimize them for the job that you are applying for. So if you apply for IT job, highlight your IT expertise and not, for example, telecom knowledge. This applies to your profile, but also again to the CV. Also, don't forget what I already mentioned, include industry keywords if possible. So this is very helpful, and it could give you an advantage when it comes to growing and expanding your business, your network, your career, everything. So try to not send generous CVs. Usually try to include really, if you apply for project management, just make sure that it has the keyword of project manager, because the HR people are just looking for the keywords, nothing else. This might not maybe secure you the job, but at least the interview. And this is already quite a big advantage if you are looking for a job, so you are not simply on waiting list. Then also use the job title in the job description. So this one is really important. So if you are, for example, here in your profile, put the job title in your about section, also in your CV, etc. And don't forget to add licenses and certificates within the resume as well. It will improve the process. So if you scroll down in your profile, you will not only see that you have the education, but you have here licenses and certifications. This you can add by the button in your profile at profile section. And here you can choose what else you want to add into your profile. So, and don't forget to also showcase any valid degrees, along with ensuring the resume is very easy to read, and also your profile. So, if I have in my LinkedIn profile that I have graduated from master degree at Royal Holloway, and then in my CV from another education, it might be a bit scam or a bit shady. Like you want to keep the unification for both. So this was just in a nutshell about the CV. If you really like the content and you want to follow other tips on LinkedIn, don't forget to hit the button follow on LinkedIn, so linkedin.com/Marie Zamesnikova. or go to my website marialevy.com and you can go to the articles section where you can find every day a new article on a new tip and trick, and also not only in the written form but also in these beautiful videos. So I will see you next time. Bye.